Which of the graphs represents the following two linear equations? To solve this, we need to first convert both of our equations into slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. So let's do that. Let's take our first equation, 2y plus 8x is equal to 6, and try to isolate our variable y. We can start by doing opposite operations to get 8x to the other side. These will cancel, leaving us with 2y is equal to 6 minus 8x. Then 2 is being multiplied to y, so the opposite operation is dividing everything by 2. These will cancel, giving us y is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now we just have to reorganize the terms. Y is equal to negative 4x plus 3. So we need at least one of the graphs to intersect the y-axis at y equals positive 3. Let's see if that can eliminate any answer choices for us. Here we have both intersect at positive 3. Here we have 1. Here we have both. And here we have 1. So we can't eliminate anything yet, but let's do the other equation and see. We have 3y plus 3x equals 9. Again, opposite operations to isolate y. Let's move 3x to the other side. These will cancel, leaving us with 3y is equal to 9 minus 3x. Then 3 is being multiplied to y, so the opposite is to divide everything by 3. And that will give us y is equal to 9 divided by 3 is 3, minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then again, we rearrange and we'll get y is equal to negative x plus 3. This one also has a y-intercept of 3, so we're actually looking for graphs, looking for two graphs that both intersect at positive 3. So that means we can eliminate answer choice C because it has a different intersection point, and answer choice B because it also has a different intersection point. So it has to be either A or D. Let me make some room and we will continue. At this point, the only way to differentiate between A and D is by looking at their slopes. The smaller the absolute value of a slope, in this case, negative 1 would become positive 1. The smaller the absolute value of a slope, the flatter the line is going to be. The larger the absolute value of a slope, taking this slope right here, the steeper it's going to be. So if we look at our two answer choices, in answer choice A, we have two lines that are pretty close in slope. They're both relatively flat. Versus answer choice D, we have one line that is a little bit flat and one line that is quite steep. So answer choice D is the one that best fits our two slopes here, one that is small and one that is large, one that is flatter and one that is steeper, making that our correct answer.